friends, it's me, Jonah, and here I have my sister Mercy, who was actually adopted from Ethiopia, just like I was, and she is modeling the item I made for today's show and tell, and it is the Bernat Girls Crochet Poncho, and it uses a very simple granny stitch, and it uses Bernat pop yarn, a beautiful yarn with a ton of colors. And the color in this poncho is pop art, and it's a 4 worsted weight, and I had to use a 5mm hook. And I love this color because it has that like sunset orange, my sunset Afghan, a nice yellow, a beautiful sea color, a stone color, and then a bright pink color. And I think they work lovely together. And also, there's just a couple things that I added to make this project even better, because what girl doesn't love pom-poms, right, Mercy?
Yes.
So I added to the drawstring these 2 adorable multi-colored pom-poms, and then I added more pom-poms down at the edge here after our fishnet border, and then the pom-poms. But those changes are just optional, and I made them because I knew Mercy or any girl would love them. And a couple more things about this poncho is that it is worked from the neck edge right here down, and as you go down it grows out, and it grows out both ways. And if you see right here, it has the center point with 2 stitches, and that's how it grows, because it comes out. And now I'm just going to show you a small sample of how to do the granny stitch. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to go back one more for you guys. You have to yarn over, insert in this next chain space here, grab this yarn and pull it up. Then you have 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you wrap over again, pull through 1 and 2, then you pull through the last 2. Then you wrap over again, insert back into that spot, grab this yarn again, pull it up, wrap over, pull through 1 and 2. Now you have 2 left. That's 2. Then you do that one more time, just like I showed you. So you have 3. And then all you have to do is chain 1. And then just do your 3 double crochet into this spot. And by the way, here's a little of my speed crochet while you're at it. And there you go. Now you have your groups of 3 double crochet with chain 1. Then I'll come over here and just explain to you how you have to go into this chain 1 space right here. Do 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 more double crochet, chain 1. Then you do 3, chain 1, 3, and that's how you continue across. And all it does is that it expands as you go out, and it's worked in one piece around the neck. And this drawstring is actually just the chain. And Mercy, please turn around, Mercy. And then as you see, this is what it looks like in the back. Oh, and right here you get a perfect view of how it grows and how it would add one more stitch on the way out, and the drawstring comes just through the back. And actually, there's some more pom-poms down on the back in different colors. So yeah, this was the Bernat Girls Crochet Poncho that my lovely sister Mercy modeled for today's show and tell. And I want to thank Yarnspirations for sponsoring today's video. And please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Jonah's Hands and Yarnspirations. And thank you so much for watching today's video, and goodbye and crochet away, friends.